Guys, what is going on? Welcome to the channel, Coyote's production. So we are out and about tonight, getting a little anxious. We're gonna do a few hits with the car, maybe just one, I don't know. I always say a few and I do one. I stop there, but anyways, we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see what the car feels like. I got street tires on it. You know, we're out in Mexico, and I'll get a camera set up, see if we can get a view of the car, since sometimes it's kind of hard to do when you're alone. But let's talk about these P0300 codes, these misfires that I've been getting. So they have calmed down. What I'm finding is that I just checked. I did a quick hit. I just checked, and I had one pending. Now there was one permanent, and what's been going on is they've been erasing. The permanent codes have been getting cleared by the ECM. I don't know how, why. It's doing it in less than the cycle that it's supposed to, which is 40 cycles without any pending or any mill lights, if you will. But what I'm finding is that when I wrap the car, hit it the RPM in neutral, sometimes when I'm driving, I'll just do that. I get a P19 code, which tells me I'm over revving, which I'm not. But it doesn't put a code on the car. But what I'm finding is when I'm getting these misfire codes now, they correlate to the vibration of this transmission. So, for example, if I'm cruising down the highway, 75 miles an hour, 6 gear, and when I find that spot where it vibrates, it will throw a code. I can watch that mill light come on because it, I can feel the vibration in my seat. I can feel it in the stick shift. I can feel it in the steering wheel. So imagine what's happening, on the engine, right, and the transmission. So it's shaking. So that's where I'm seeing these codes pop up. I've been doing a lot of driving in 4th gear, trying to break in that gear set. If I stay away from the vibration while I'm driving and I drive it normal, I get no codes. Car is fine. I think it's learning. It's getting better. We're not quite there yet, but it was to a point where it's extremely annoying. But no, it's doing better. I have not checked my plugs. Like I said, this car doesn't miss a beat. I don't believe it's running lean or anything like that. Again, this is the same situation as we had before, but not as severe. Before it was just outrageous. So anyways, let me see what I can do, get these cameras set up, see if we can get a good view here, and get a camera set up in the car. And then we'll get one outside of the car, and we'll do a hit, and we'll roll out gently as we can. We're going to spin, but I want you guys to just get an idea of the transmission. It does a hell of a job of pulling, I can tell you that. 1st and 2nd gear, it's pretty strong. So we're going to do that, and we'll catch up to you in a minute. Like I said, we're gonna just do a launch. We're gonna get into the tracks. There's a lot of VHT on here in the street, if you can notice. You'll see the tracks. Here's Sticky Saturday Night. Clean the tires, and then we'll get in the tracks and launch. was all over. So much difference when you have traction control and take it off. You lose so much power. Wow, that was fun. We got 192 miles to go. We'll do one more and then we're gonna call it a wrap. My luck, because this is where they hit Mexico all the time, so I'm gonna pick up my stuff and go. As you can see, there's no mill light, so we just cleared it before we did our test. So DDCs and ECU, it says 0, so but there might be one pending. Let's see. Let's read codes. There you go. It's erased to permanent that we just got, and it says this has no fault codes. So this is why I think this car is learning, because we hit some pretty high RPMs, 7,500, and we're not getting the P0300. I seriously believe these codes now are coming from vibrations of this transmission, which is, for me, is a huge downside. Will that go away? I don't know. I have to wait for 3,000 miles. Maybe that's another 3 years for me. I don't know. Hopefully not. But like I said, trying to drive the car more. I do believe the car is learning. So, yay. But, yeah, we're making progress. I'm going to keep that light and flywheel in there. I'm not pulling it out, and if we have to figure out a way how to dampen that vibration, then we're going to do that. But I'm going to wait first and see, you know, how it breaks in at the full break-in is 3,000 miles. Now, since we're talking about the Calimer trans, let's just talk about a couple things. I did call them on an issue, which was third gears popping out at a slow cruising speed. Just gently cruising, 20 miles an hour, 25 miles an hour, third gear. It's happened 4 times. And they asked, well, what kind of shifter do you have? Barton short throw. I got a Blowfish racing bracket on the car, and they goes, it's a bad combination. He says, that's what's causing your problem. Really? I don't know. I ran the same combination for 2.5 years on the stock MT82. My shifter never once popped out of gear. So it is what it is. I'm just going to take it, run the car, and if I have to fix it later on down the road, I'm just going to look for somebody locally to do that, because if I have to take it out and ship it, shipping alone there and back is $500. I'm not going to do that. Anyways, I'm happy with the transmission as far as, you know, how it performs. I'm not happy with some of the idiosyncrasies that's going on with this damn thing. The vibration, I'm hoping that's going to go away. It has calmed down. The whining has picked up. I'm okay with the whine. That doesn't bother me. Other than that, you know, it pulls like a freaking beast. This thing pulls, and as you saw in the video, it's a monster. So I'm just waiting to get that 200 mark. I'm going to get my ET Streets on, which I think are going to hook up with this car. Our tire fryer from Granatelli line lock is coming tomorrow. No, Saturday. Tomorrow's Friday. And we'll get that put on sometime next week. We are going to try and hit the row racing this weekend, Saturday, I hope. I hope I can get my basket out of the house. And we'll see. So that's it, man. That's it for tonight, guys. So hope you liked the video. Thank you for your support. Thanks to my new subscribers, and you guys have a great night. Take care.